Hi guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles. Welcome to another Sunday Stata tip. Today I'm going to talk about something called the real function in Stata, which is really useful, especially if you're trying to destring something and it's not working. So for example, I've just pulled up this project that I'm currently working on, and I'm stacking a bunch of files, and basically I have this ID that I want to get into a number to match some other data I'm trying to merge on. And if I go to destring it and maybe I want to replace, you can see it's going to say that contains non-numeric characters and no replace. But if I scroll out like this, you can see that I've got 500,000 observations. So if I were to do something like to tab it, if I were to tab the ID, it is going to just say there's too many values. So what I can do is instead I can use the real variable to see what values are not able to convert to a number. So I can be like tab ID if real ID is equal to missing. And so now what I can see is I've got really 4 of these Leah IDs that have this D in it, and then I've got an M, and then I've got an N. And so I'm going to look up in the documentation. I'm going to see that these are special districts that I don't want in my data anyway. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop if the real function of this Leah ID is missing, or if Leah ID is missing, period. Do both of those, and then I can destring it, and it's going to work just fine. So that's just a really handy tool to see when your destring isn't working, why it's not working. You can really quickly identify the letters in a particular variable, and it'll also work if you got plus signs or minus signs in this variable. Really useful and should really help with that destringing. So again, just a really quick video, but if this was helpful, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for another case of Econ Struggles.